back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some valuable tips on how you can start your product photography business in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or you already have some experience behind the lens, these steps will help you get started on the right track. So let's get into it. Step number 1, define your niche. Determine what type of photography you want to specialize in. It could be portraits, wedding, landscapes, or even food photography. Find your passion and focus on that area to stand out from your competition. Step number 2, build your portfolio. Start capturing stunning images to showcase your skills and styles. Offer free or a discounted session to friends and family to build your portfolio. Create a professional website or online portfolio to display your best work. Using platforms such as Instagram or Facebook is the best place to start sharing your work if you want to become a product photographer in 2024. I would also reach out to smaller brands asking if they would like to exchange your high quality product photography for their products, and they can also use those images for their social pages. If you need help pitching to potential clients, then head to the link in bio and grab your free pitching template now. Step number 3, network and collaborate. Attend photography events, join online communities, Facebook groups, and connect with other photographers. Collaborate with models, makeup artists, and stylists to expand your network and create amazing projects together. Find people that are also in their beginning stage. It's a great way so that you can all grow and build together. Let's go into step number 4, set your business up. Register your photography business, obtain necessary permits and licenses, and set up your separate bank account for your finances. Don't forget to invest in proper insurance to protect your gear and your business. And this leads us on to step number 5, market your services. A great way to create a strong online presence through social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Showcase your work, engaging with your audience, and offer special promotions to attract new clients. Step number 6 is provide exceptional customer service. Treat every client with professionalism and respect. Deliver high quality images in a timely manner and exceed their expectations. Happy clients will become your best promoters. If you want me to create a video on how you can create an irresistible offer that you will have your clients running to you, then let me know in the comment section down below. And there you have it. Follow these very simple but very effective tips. Stay dedicated and watch your business thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.